epic. It was shallow as hell, but yeah, I think we'll have a bit of fun. What do you reckon?
Welcome to the story of two sailors taking the long way home to Australia on a 38-foot boat called Finding Avalon. Subscribe and join the voyage. Last week we were sailing in the remote atolls of the Tuamotus, where food can be quite scarce. This led us to hunting and gathering some obscure foods.
The locals said that this is the go. So, I don't know, maybe they're having us on.
We left for Apataki with friends on yacht Gia in tow.
Been having a really good sail today. It's just been on a beam reach the whole way, 20 miles to Apataki, and we just went through the coolest feeding frenzy ever. I would say it would definitely have been tuna because they were sooty tern birds who tend to hang around over tuna schools. But yeah, we've obviously got the wrong lure out today because they didn't bite.
There was another yacht coming through the pass at Apataki, so Gia took the opportunity to radio them and see what the conditions were like.
A minimal current coming against us now, very calm and lovely, so we're going to head. What do you think?
Copy that, let's go. Yeah dude, this looks epic. It was shallow as hell, but yeah, I think we'll have a bit of fun. What do you reckon?
Definitely. And as far as it being shallow, I'm pretty sure that's
Woohoo! Look at that! Oh my god, look at this one coming through!
Oh my god, you guys can't see that as well as I can, but it looks epic.
I've got basically zero.
Oh god. Concentrate on what you're doing, Jackson. Concentrate.
all anchored, and the boys are pretty itching to get a surf, so we didn't waste any time. Taking my tea to go. The waves are a little bit gnarly for myself and Alani, probably even for Jackson and Dave. So yeah, we're going to sit this one out with tea. Might bring these, there might be something good out there.
Did you see Kelly Slater out there?
Yeah, where did he go? I'd like to hang out with him tonight.
That was f***ing sick.
Did you get in the spice bowl?
Please tell me you saw that.
Oh, you did? No, I didn't. I didn't see that.
Shut up, yes.
Did you really?
Yes.
You got barrels?
Please tell me you saw it. You saw it, didn't you?
I did see it. Of course I did. Of course I did.
That was, yeah, that was loose, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that hollow thing. Cavernous. Oh. Oh.
Whoa, wave of the day! His shoulder, which he's going with, and his and his little bottom.
We signalled for you to come out, Alan.
Yeah, I saw that. There was no chance. No chance.
When you did that, and we were like, oh, has he got confused? Does that mean, well, Alani said, does it mean help or whatever? And I was like, look, Jackson has a tendency to tell jokes that aren't funny, and I think that's I think that's one of them.
I was just waving at you, but then I was like.
After surfing, we went for an explore in the town and immediately befriended a local, Nico, who was pretty keen to give us an official welcome to his island.
You meet dog? Small.
Yeah.
I said, you, no problem. You meet Wally. You bought.
Yeah.
Après from France, you receive dog.
Oh,
received
right, the
dog.
dogs
I
come
said,
from
no
on the
problem.
boat.
You cash. No problem.
Yeah.
You
But
sport.
big
sport.
dog you can't
Voilà.
bring.
Nico, yeah, dog. Hey, Daddy. Vinay, come on. No problem. Dog, Daddy.
Hi, doggy. Hi. Hi, Pop. Hi, Pop. Oh, hello.
Ah,
Hey, little puppies.
Yeah.
Hello.
You're in heaven
Yeah.
now, aren't you?
Yeah.
bienvenue à
See you,
Apataki.
Nico.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, merci,
Yeah,
Nico.
bro. Come on. No problem. Man, come. Me. No, no problem. Come.
Oh, really?
No problem. Come. Yeah, sit down.
Oh,
Voilà.
beautiful.
You may surf. Yeah, le surf. Surf.
Oh, wow.
You know, yeah, surf road. Hey.
Yeah.
You had an accident, Nico.
Parce que Nico, surf, d'époque.
Really?
The release, flexing.
From the reef?
Yeah, you're the reef.
Because you hit the reef like.
Yes, you're the reef.
Yeah, yeah.
You're the reef.
Oh. Yeah, this was me yesterday on the reef.
No, les sats. Ça va, les sats. Pershing, reef. Après.
Oh, I broke
Oh,
your
my
leg.
goodness.
Good.
Oh.
And you mean, yeah, problem.
Oh.
I don't think that's
You
good.
break legs.
Now you make me scared, Nico.
Me surf cyclone.
Cyclones, well.
Cyclone swell.
Yes.
On this board.
Ouais, sur le boat. Mais me, tu vas
Ah.
acheter ce board. Tu vas
Oh,
acheter ce board.
wow, okay.
So we had this broken and Nico broken.
Nico is a keen fisherman and proudly showed us a relic of one of his successes.
Après, voilà, money.
Did you catch that marlin,
Yes.
Nico? You did?
Where? Just out here?
Yes.
With which lure? The pink one?
Yes, voilà.
Oh, there
You
it
look.
is.
Là. Excellent.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. The big daddy.
Nico also had an impressive collection of black pearls that he would have been happy to exchange for fashion items, but not money.
So the boys went out surfing at the pass again, and I got to the beach and just thought, oh, fiddlesticks, I haven't brought my book, what am I going to do? Ended up diving the pass the entire time. I think the boys were out surfing for 3 hours. Absolutely prunified. And yeah, me and Alani went spearfishing and we got some unicorn fish. So apparently they're one of the only good fish around here that don't have ciguatera, and they're quite good eating. So we're looking forward to cooking those up. There's actually a fire pit at the surf break, so we're gonna go back there. I've come to prepare some food and then we're gonna go and cook the fish up. So the boys are out spearfishing again because the unicorn fish aren't that big, so we need a little bit more. So yeah, it'll be exciting to see what they've got, and I thought I might show you what someone who doesn't have any food brings to something like this, because you have to get quite creative. I've made some chipotle mayo to go on the fish, quinoa salad, so there's quinoa, red capsicum from a jar, cabbage, sweet corn from a can, and then I made the peanut sauce I always make, which is just peanut butter, garlic powder, fresh ginger. We actually have fresh ginger. I just put it in the garlic crusher and crush it in. A little bit of coconut milk, a bit of pepper, and hot sauce. Oh, and a bit of soy sauce, just a little bit. Our last remaining sweet potato, our last remaining lime. Looks pretty worse for wear, but he's got some juice inside. And some choki. This was really expensive. I paid
Avalon, this is Shark Killer.
It's time to go. Oh, and some beers. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my ride with Alani and we will be heading. Oh yeah, and mosquito repellent and long sleeved clothing options because the mosquitoes are rife around here. Fairy lights, boombox.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean
Oh, they'll still be spearfishing.
burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes, and your ocean eyes, no fair.
What have you got?
Got a little grouper.
Wow.
I've asked a local, he said good eating. I've done the ant trick, hundreds of ants. Don't know what else to do.
If you're wondering what the ant trick is, we met a lady called Moena yesterday who showed us around her gorgeous farm just across the way from the surf break, and she said the way to test for ciguatera is to throw a bit of fish on the ground, and if the ants come and try and carry it away, then it's good. If the ants run to the high heavens, then it's bad. So
Do not eat.
pretty good test.
That's my fiance's unicorn fish.
Oh, isn't she nice?
Didn't actually think they existed.
I know. A mythical fish.
When my gardens grow, I'll remain on the inside. When my heartbeat froze, I was dead on the inside, at least momentarily so. You've got me in a bit of a mess, I'll hazard a guess.
Well, I mean, it's not the most spectacular story of David and Goliath, but yeah, what can I say? Spotted him, called Dave over. Dave gave him the okay and said we should go check with the fishermen if we catch him. So speared him. We've had a few good reports on ciguatera around here that it's not really here. So yeah, pretty happy to hopefully eat him. We've done the fly test and the ant test, and passed both. So look, we've done everything possible to avoid the ciguatera, except obviously not eating the fish. But yeah, what an awesome place to be. Like, it's a perfect left-hand wave that we've been scoring for the last 3 days. Fish on a fire. Almost full moon coming out.
Didn't you nearly get eaten by a moray eel?
Oh yeah. And then when I was gutting the fish back here in the shallows, because I speared it and went through the top and then through its mouth, and it was really hard to get out, so I came in and I was gutting it and taking the scales, and then a moray eel climbed over the rocks, like over the shallows, into the tidal pool I was in. And I've never seen a moray eel like that, and it was so big and aggressive, and it wanted that fish, and he was trying to nip at the tail and grab the tail of it, and I was like trying to scare it away with the knife, but he was like biting the knife, and and then I just pulled the fish out and like kind of ran up the rocks a bit, and he hung around the tidal pool eating all the guts and then left. But yeah, always an eventful story. So catching the fish, pretty stock standard. Trying to fillet the fish, nightmare.
When my gardens grow, baby, I was sitting way by the fireside.
How well
Worlds engulfed in flames, and I will smolder soon. Got me in a bit of a mess, I'll hazard a guess.
Oh shit.
Where did you sleep last night? Where did you run? Did he make you feel the moon? Like I never will.
Nobody said S'mores was going to be easy, Tant.
They say the time.
I thought they were meant to be saying like kids can do. Pretty.
And I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Good.
Hey guys, just a quick note before you go. The Finding Avalon teas are back in stock. A few people missed out last time, so we decided just to run it again. So jump on. They are available until stocks last, basically.
We got two different designs. We got this one, our other one here. So jump in, because you'll probably get them before we even get a sample of them.
Yeah.
And guys, for those who haven't seen them already, I've released our cruising tips series, where we cover the Mediterranean, leaving the Med, the Caribbean, some of the logistics of sailing these areas, things like provisioning, fuel, anchoring, all that stuff. Check out our playlist and check out our videos, and yeah, I hope you enjoy them.
We hope you find some gold in there.
It's forever growing. We'll keep adding as we keep finding.
It's ever growing, yeah. All right, that's all from us today. We will see you next week. Love you.
Bye guys.
Where did
Bye.
you sleep last night?